So tried to do a live, just didn't happen. Duncan Smith in the Sticks, 150 acre dairy farm. I'm interviewing for the job. It's a friend of mine who owns it, so I'm pretty sure I'll get the listing. Her friendship is not in jeopardy either way. 150 acres, got some outbuildings, 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. It's an older home, but smells good, looks good. Half basement, laundry room to the side, big open family room. Kitchen's pretty nice. The outside exterior's good. Roof is really good. We're about, 11 miles south of Stockton, Missouri. So you could run some beef cattle here. You could have a super duper grazing dairy. This is actually a spring, got some watercress over there. That tells me that it is live and year round. It's got a tin horn across this road, and you could hear the water coming out and doing pretty good. So snow's melted off. Highway access over here, we got power coming into the dairy. A well-graveled lane. If you were in the notion to develop a grazing dairy or a stocker operation, this dude would suit. So my cell phone, 417-349-5630. I'm headed to the parlor. I'm going to kick on the power. Look at that, how that lays. This is some pretty good dirt. How about if we kick some? Look at this. So Texas County doesn't have a lot of that. You talk about grow grass. Dude, this grow more grass than you can shake a stick at. So I'm gonna pause this, turn on the power, and we're gonna see if we can see some pulsators. Here's some pulsators. We're back on. Look at how this deal lays. You could strip graze this, row crop. It looks like there's about, I would say, 90 acres that is flat as can be. See there, there's a auger going in to the feeders, I'm sure, from this grain bin. There's your exit alley that would flush. Nice little holding pen, got an exhaust fan there. Got a management rail on the other side. Look at this. This dude will hunt. Look at the water in the pastures. This is set up. So we are in the tank room, and I believe this to be a 1,000-gallon tank. And this is probably a 1,500 or a 2,000-gallon tank. Both of them Mueller's. Probably have a chart here. That looks like a 1,000-gallon chart. A little bit tough. I can't see that one. Dude, this is set up to milk some cows. Exhaust fan. Coolant system. Milk temperature. That's a newer Century. A little newer than what I'm used to in the Ozarks. This is just a high perform. This one would probably have two. Got a pre-cool. This has probably got a top plate and a bottom plate. Yep. Bottom all. So That's probably got 2 compressors. This has probably got 1. It is a high perform digital readout. Power's not on, that's fine. Let's go into the money barn. Here's your, so this looks like your lights are just not, you know, they're the old time lights. They'd have to warm up. This plan was probably from the University of Missouri grazing dairy. So you take these pieces of plywood out for your airflow, because put that many cows, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 on the side. So it is, if you go to the University of Missouri, you'll probably see the plans for the grazing dairy. So all you'd have to do is hook your flex auger back up. You got your butt plate here. So let's go on down in here. So your pit's plenty deep. Looks like you got 10 units. It's a swing, it's a 3-inch stainless steel. Probably on about a 3% drop. There's your pump over. It's got the bigger claws. I'm not a personal, I don't like those claws as well. I like those little claws. Let's go through your operator door here. Oh yeah. Come on out here. This is set up to flush. Got a management rail here. There's your blower pump inside of there. It's kind of nice. Got a calf jack. So this management rail is set up so I guess you can bring them in. I'm not really sure. I guess you would bring them around and bring them in this gate. And then you can palpate. Well, it's made to where their heads are here, so they're angled that way, of course. But look at this ground. Boys and girls. Turn around here and take a picture. Boys, go to the videotape. I mean, tell you that. Would grow grass. They've already got it set up to flush. Man, that is a dandy. Your lanes are established. This dude is ready to hunt. Man, it would grow grass. So that is an air well with water down this lane. Dude, if you're in for a stocker operation, a grazing dairy, cow calf, this dude would work. Look at that photo. I need to be an artist. Look at that. Man, I mean, this dude is nice. Lays super good. You know, is it a row crop farm? I don't know. I'm not a row crop farmer, but dude, there ain't a rock to be seen. If it is, it's about the size of an egg, and with the price of those nowadays, it means more value. Look at how this thing do. Just strip it off. Boom, boom, boom. Man, no ups and downs. Put your wires, your brake wires in. Far as the eye can see. So that's got to be more than a 20 that's up on the highway there. That'd probably be for your hay, but this, man, I don't see any reason why you couldn't have 150 to 200 milk cows here. You're gonna have to supplement some, but dude, this thing would work. Whew. Are you getting tired of the same picture? How could you get tired of this? Give it a look. right, I'm still walking. It's 10 minutes, you won't get back. Duncan Smith in the sticks on a dairy farm. Look at that farm scene. 10 on side swing parlor. And then you've got built back away from your homestead. Got your own well. You got 2 wells here. Got some outbuildings. Call me 417-349-5630. If this dude don't work, somebody needs slapped. Man. Invest in Missouri. Alright. I'm going to my mapping program because I don't want to be shot. Just kidding. Man, it just gets better. This thing, you had the water, you put rice in here, just grate it. Hold on. Alright. Ooh, it's even got fescue, baby. Look at that. Kentucky 31, I'm sure. That seals it. 2 more. Here's another air well for the water. You got water right there, set your tank. The work's done on this. You've got a water line running up this lane. Up. We got deer out yonder. It looks like the neighbors are tidying up their fence row. So that tells you got some clean neighbors. Oh yeah. That's what I'm saying. Dude, this would be a grass growing son of a gun. I just can't shut it off. You've got to see more. Look back. Zoom in. Yeah. Stockton, Missouri, 150-acre grade A dairy stocker operation. Row crop, yeah, check. Mama cows, check. Sheep, check. Ah, man, dude, this is the real deal. I've got to, oh, sorry, 0.6. I'm gonna give you another panorama. All right.